How to add Call Now button on Facebook post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook page and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your name, which will open your profile. After that, scroll down and click on What's on Your Mind. In here, add whatever you want to add for your post. Type in whatever you want, add picture if you want to add. After you're done adding picture and text, press on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open these options. At the bottom, click on Get Calls. Then add your country code, add your number, then you can press on Next, and after you post this post, you will have Call Now button on this post. This is how to add Call Now button on Facebook post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.